Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing video and today I'm going to be unboxing the Look Fantastic collaboration with Living Proof beauty box. This box is limited edition and it is in collaboration between Look Fantastic and Living Proof. And today I'm going to be unboxing it and showing you what you get inside. Just a bit of information about this box. This box has a total value of £85 and it costs £50 to buy. So you're getting a £35 saving, which is pretty good when you consider that Living Proof is quite an expensive luxury hair care brand. So I think that's really, really great. And from what I can see in this box, you get quite big sizes of things. So I think it's really good value. Okay, so without any further ado, let's open the box and see what we get inside. If you are new to my channel, then hello, welcome to you all. My name is Emily, and if you would like to support me, then you can do so by just simply clicking that subscribe button and also by clicking that notification bell down below to receive updates whenever I post a new video. So this is the box and it comes in this bright pink colour, and also compared to the usual Look Fantastic monthly boxes that we get, this box is quite chunky, like it's quite a thick size. And also, as ever, if you would like to receive some money off if you subscribe to the Look Fantastic beauty box service, I do have a discount code that you can use. So if you would like to receive 10% off your first box when subscribing for either 3, 6 or 12 months, you can use the code EmilyGBB at checkout to get 10% off. I'll link that down in the description box for any of you who are interested. So we open the box and we have a quote. It says, "All the best heroes are ordinary people who do extraordinary things." I really like that. That's quite a nice quote actually. I always love the quotes that Look Fantastic put in their boxes. I think it's really nice. So here is the contents inside, and as you can see, the things are quite big sizes, like you get a lot of deluxe travel sizes. And for those of you who don't know anything about Living Proof, they are a hair care brand that are formulated and created with science in mind. So there is scientific technology behind the products and it's a very science-driven hair care brand. So let's delve in and see what we have. First up, we have the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast Styling and Finishing Spray, and this is in a 95ml size, and this would cost £10 on its own. Now, from reading what it says about this on the website, this is a weightless spray that adds body and bounce to your hair without adding any crunchiness or stiffness, which I think sounds really great for me because I absolutely hate putting styling products in my hair because they always make my hair feel really crunchy, especially if I go out and it rains. And I think styling sprays are really great for anyone who's got very fine hair or very straight hair, and it's the sort of hair that doesn't tend to do a lot and you have to really work to get your hair to do something, and your hair doesn't really retain a lot of body or bounce. Okay, so next up we have a hair mask, and this is their Perfect Hair Day Weightless Mask. And it says that it leaves hair shiny, soft and manageable, and that it's silicone free as well. And this is a 200ml tube, so there's a lot of products in there, and this alone would retail for £33. So I think that is really good value to have this in the box, and that it's a full size as well, so that's really, really great. So I've got some information on the website on this and I'm going to read it out because I'm not too sure whether this is like a leave-in mask or you wash it off afterwards. I'm not entirely sure, so I'm going to find out now and see what it does.
Description: whether your hair is feeling dull or lackluster, the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day PhD Weightless Mask breathes new life into your mane so that you can always look your best. With a completely weightless feel, the mask never takes the bounce out of your strands, maintaining volume while increasing manageability for easier styling. It promises to never leave behind any heavy build-ups, washing out easily so that your hair and scalp stay clean and refreshed. Tangles will melt away, resulting in a 70% decrease in breakage while brushing. Your mane's natural protective layer will also be replenished for a stronger, more resilient finish. With regular use, the hair mask delivers every one of the 5 key benefits of healthy-looking hair: polish, strength, conditioning, volume and smoothness, making this an all-round superhero, no matter your concerns. Free from parabens, phthalates, silicones, SLS and SLES.
This sounds really up my alley. I, like I said, have really fine hair, and I find that anything too weighty as a hair mask really weighs down my hair. Like, I love argan oil, for example, but my hair doesn't always take too well to having it on as a mask. It can get quite weighed down. So this sounds like it's going to be perfect for my hair, and I think anyone who has more fine hair or shorter hair, or their hair just gets a bit more oilier or it can get more greasy quickly, would probably find this really, really useful. So this sounds really good and I'm really excited to try this actually. And I'm a big hair mask lover. I love using a hair mask, so this just sounds like it's going to be a really nice treat for my hair. And I haven't really used a hair mask in a while, so definitely going to enjoy using that. Next up we have the Perfect Hair Day shampoo, and this is a 60ml size which would retail on its own for £10. Now I've got some information here on the website. Now I think that Perfect Hair Day is like the main range that they do. I think that's the kind of the thing that they always market, and it has a multitude of different benefits. I believe it's formulated with different ingredients that help for different aspects of hair health and the way that your hair looks, so shine, strength, polish, that kind of thing. So I'm going to see what this has to say about this.
Improve the health of your hair with Living Proof Perfect Hair Day PhD Shampoo, an innovative cleanser that helps you to wash your locks less often. Powered by the brand's own healthy hair molecule to smooth the cuticle and protect strands against damage, the nourishing shampoo expertly lifts away dirt and excess oil to leave behind a fresh and clean feel. Expect healthier looking results, both instantly and over time.
So I'm quite intrigued about this because it says that you use this and it will help to reduce the amount you have to wash your hair. Now I have to wash my hair quite a lot because of the fact my hair's really fine, and I find that my hair gets very oily quickly because of it. I don't know why, it's quite annoying. So I've never really found a shampoo that lasts me long times between washes, so I think this sounds like it might be something that my hair would benefit from. Of course I can't really attest to how well it does because I've never tried it, but it has received quite a lot of good reviews. I mean, this brand as a rule has had quite a lot of reviews. It's a very popular hair care brand and they're quite an affluent brand, so I'm really excited to see what my hair looks like after using these products. I'm gonna smell it to see if it has any fragrance to it because I'm quite intrigued to know whether or not it has a fragrance. It does slightly. It has that kind of typical salon hair product scent. Next up we have the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day conditioner, again in a 60ml size, the same as the shampoo.
Improve the appearance and health of your hair with Living Proof Perfect Hair Day PhD conditioner, a nourishing treatment that delivers visible results over time. The silky, weightless formula envelops strands to restore hydration and strength, smoothing the hair fibre to improve manageability and tame frizz. Powered by the brand's exclusive healthy hair molecule, the conditioner delivers soft, shiny and revitalized results.
Now I personally don't have a lot of issues with frizzy hair, so I don't know how well this will work for me. My hair is straight. I mean, I curl it to look like this, but my hair is naturally straight, so I don't know how well this will do for that kind of thing. But I do tend to notice that when I put my hair up or when I've styled it or done something to it, my hair can go a little bit fly away at the ends, so I will try it to see if it helps with that. And then finally in this box we have the Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo, and this is a 92ml size bottle which retails for £10 on its own.
Take care of second day hair with Living Proof Perfect Hair Day PhD Dry Shampoo, a weightless formula that instantly freshens up the feel and appearance of locks between washes. The silicone-free cleanser spray on easily, harnessing the brand's triple action cleaning technology to absorb oil, sweat and odour without leaving behind a powdery residue. Suitable for all hair colours and types, the dry shampoo is infused with a time-released fragrance to keep you feeling fresh throughout the day.
Now this really sounds interesting. I like the fact it doesn't have any silicone in it, and I like the fact it does say that it has a fragrance to it. I personally have never been a massive fan of dry shampoos. I always feel like they make my hair feel really, really just clogged and just really crunchy and just really unclean, and I just don't like the feeling of it. I would rather just take the time to wash my hair again just because I don't like the feeling of dry shampoo. But I hope that this one will make me feel a bit differently because it does have a lot of 5-star reviews, and I'm actually going to try it on camera now just to see if I like the feel of it. It has a very fresh powdery scent as well. Like the scent is a bit like kind of clean washing, that sort of smell. It's very fresh. That smells lovely. I like the smell of that a lot actually, and that actually feels really, really nice in my hair. That doesn't make my hair feel like it's got loads of product in it. It doesn't feel like it's really heavy on the roots of my hair, and I think that I would actually like that, to be honest. I mean, I'm more of someone who would rather wash their hair than use dry shampoo, but in a pinch I would use this because it does feel quite nice on my hair. So I'm really pleased with that actually, and I'm going to pop this in my handbag to use when I'm out and about. So that is everything that you get inside of this Living Proof collaboration with Look Fantastic beauty box. I really like the fact that they've got kind of staple products in there. I think that they've added a good selection of products to get someone who hasn't really tried the brand started. So let me know down in the comments actually, have you tried Living Proof before? And if so, what do you think of the brand? Because I would be so interested to know if you've tried it and what your personal thoughts are on Living Proof, because it's a brand that I've seen a lot and it's had a lot of good reviews, but it's just been a brand that I've never tried before. So let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Goodbye everyone.